Hello and welcome to Precious Memories MJE on Etsy. You are viewing and just about to listen to the conical doorbell or Butlers Bell. I'm just going to remove the case first of all so you can see the beautiful mechanism that has been restored, which includes cleaning of all the electronic mechanism in here and polishing up and cleaning the terminals. So that's what it looks like inside. The box has also been restored and the joints been re-glued and polished, and this is what the conical bell sounds like. I think you'll agree it's a nice crisp sound, quite loud, and you can see that the bakelite transformer, which when I discovered this bell in my father's garage, was the 8-volt power source for that particular bell itself, dating around the 1920s, 30s. Thank you for viewing and being able to hear the little bell in action, and thank you for visiting Precious Memories MJE on Etsy.